Let's talk about evening snacks. This egg loaded with vegetable recipe is something you should definitely try. To start, add some beans, some grated carrots, some chopped onion, chilies, a cup of chopped tomatoes, coriander leaves, salt as per your taste, black pepper powder, and give it a good mix. Then goes the eggs, and again mix it properly and keep this mixture aside. Then in a tawa, put a rolled out roti and roast it on both the sides. Then in the center of the roti, add the egg mixture and fold the roti as shown. Then flip and roast the roti. Add some oil and roast it till it becomes crispy. Now, once the roti is crispy and golden on both the sides, take it out and enjoy it with some ketchup or some mayonnaise.